DIY lips tattoo. So easy. Hello friends! I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today I will share with you a new video, special and effective. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. So let's start. 1 teaspoon of clear glue, 1 pinch of color food, 'Now mix all the ingredients very well. Note the time to put it on your lips and leave it on until it dries, then remove it. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe us, and we're waiting for your feedback and comments.